Hexagonal thinking is a strategy to show how ideas connect together using hexagons. You can organize them in any way that makes sense to you. But you must be able to explain your thinking. Let's get started. Let's look at an example. I started with the word dinosaur and connected herbivore and carnivore, because herbivores and carnivores are both types of dinosaurs. Next, I put bones in the middle so that dinosaur, herbivore, and carnivores are all touching the bones, because all of them have bones. I then put velociraptor next to dinosaur and carnivore because a velociraptor are both of those things. Next, I put triceratops next to herbivore and dinosaur because a triceratops are also both of those things. When I went to add the words claws, reptiles, and fossils, my original plan didn't work well, so I moved some words around. You can move around your words at any time, but you must use all the words. When you have placed all hexagons in the location you want, you can glue them down to your paper. You must be able to justify your thinking. Here are some of my thoughts. I put fossil next to dinosaur because fossils sometimes come from dinosaurs. I put prehistoric, extinct, and paleontologist connected together because they are all related to finding dinosaur fossils. I put bones next to dinosaur because all dinosaurs have bones. But I put claws next to carnivores because carnivores need claws to eat. I put reptile next to dinosaur, herbivore, and carnivore because all of them are types of reptiles. Remember that others may make different connections, and that's okay as long as they can justify their thinking.